Welcome back to my channel. This is the Millionaire Mindset channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to make money online, especially if you're a student. So before we continue, please, if you're new, hit the notification button and the subscription so that you know when I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly, you go to the site called mindsumo. You guys can see, you go to this site called mindsumo. When you open the site, you just have to log in and fill up the details, and when you are done logging, it's going to be like this. So what you have to do, you just come here and press I'm a problem solver. Okay, so this one is the team, the people that is working in the website. So let me go back. Let me show you. When you come to this place under here, you just press on any of these questions so you can solve them. Just press any of the question, and before you solve any question, you have to read it very carefully and know what is required of you to do, so that you not waste your time and lose money also. So especially this one, for example, this question. So this is what the company or the people is asking of you. This is what they want you to submit. This is what they want you to answer this question, because there are a lot of companies that are looking for some solutions, people that will solve for them the problems they're having. So for me especially, I'm in the Philippines, so this is not working here in the Philippines, but I've tried it. So many of my friends said this is working, so I believe it's going to work for you guys, and I know it's going to work. So this is an easier way for you to make money, a ton of money as a student. For example, citizens, you see 274 submission people have submitted and 5 days left. So you guys have 5 days to solve the question, so that they can be part of those that will receive the $1,000. You see, this is so easy to do. You don't even need money. You just have to go to Google and just paste these questions there. The Google is going to give you the answer you need. Okay, because I just created this account, so I can use it for the video, for this video especially. So for my student, this video is for you guys. Thank you. Bye.